Hi, this is Pam, Flower Patch Farmhouse, and today I'm going to share with you the difference between a Thanksgiving cactus and a Christmas cactus. Now, many times in the stores and or garden centers, when you see a Christmas cactus for sale, many times it's actually Thanksgiving cactus, which is a hybrid of a true Christmas cactus. And the Thanksgiving cactus actually blooms a little bit earlier and can bloom a little bit longer. The Christmas cactus, the true Christmas cactus, is a little, to me, not as floriferous, if you want to say it that way, but it's still beautiful when it's in bloom. Now, the Thanksgiving cactus, you can get many colors. I've shared on my blog here the colors that I have. I have a yellow one, a salmon pink one, a pastel pink one, a white one with a little bit of fuchsia edging, and I have a fuchsia one. Actually, I have a fuchsia and one that's got a lot of orange in it. And I got them as cuttings, started them, and now I have an array of colors. So, that being said, I'm going to zoom in closer so that you can see the different cactuses, or the cactus differences. Now here I'm zoomed in and I hope you can see the difference. If you look at these leaves, you can see the real spiky edges. Some people call these a crab cactus because of those spiky edges. This one is named Exotic Dancer. It's a beautiful red with a bit of orange in it. Let me move that aside a little bit. And here is my true Christmas cactus. Now, you can see these edges are round. Let me see if I can get them side by side in here for you. And then you can really see. Hopefully I'm doing this. Whoops, sorry. See how spiky and how round these are. And this one is just now starting to put its buds on, or showing buds. And while this one is in full bloom, I will show you another one of mine, and it's the salmon pink one. One moment. So right here is my salmon pink one. This one was the first one to bloom this year, and it has really put on some beautiful blooms. There's not very many on this one, but it seems like the different colors have a little bit different characteristics as far as blooming and as far as starting them from cutting. Some are a little bit tougher to start, and the salmon one was a little bit more finicky than my others. So there you have it, the difference between a Thanksgiving cactus and a true Christmas cactus. As well, there is an Easter cactus, but I've never had one, so I couldn't show you the difference. And in fact, the Easter cactus has actually now been put into a different category and had a new name, new horticultural name given to it. So I don't even know if it's considered part of this family anymore. So who knows? Things are always changing. So that's how you'll be able to tell if it's a Thanksgiving or crab cactus. Pointy edges. Christmas cactus, rounded, lobed edges. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video.